Hello, statistics students. The goal here is to find sample size. So researchers want to calculate the sample size to use for a 90% confidence interval with a margin of error to be no more than 2.5%. So in class, we developed this formula that the sample size is P, 1 minus P, times the critical value, which we called Z star, divided by the margin of error, which needs to be written as a percent, or excuse me, as a decimal, squared. And for this particular problem, we do not have an estimate for the true proportion. So if we don't have an estimate for the true proportion, we're going to use 0.5. So then, in order to figure out the sample size with 90% confidence with a margin of error to be 2.5% or less, we're going to say 0.5 times 1 minus 0.5. You need to look up the critical value for 90% confidence interval, which is in your notes, and that value is 1.645. And the margin of error we need to write as a decimal, so 2.5% is 0.025. And then we need to square that. So this is what you would type into your calculator. And when you do that, you'll get 1082.41. And as we discussed in class, you always want to round up. So the answer to this question is 1083.